Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic, that is stress response, and second is metabolic syndrome. Now first come, what is metabolic syndrome? Metabolic syndrome, it is actually a syndrome that is comprises of group of diseases all together in one term, also known as syndrome X. So, metabolic syndrome is defined as it is a cluster of metabolic risk factors that come together in a single individual, like insulin resistance, hypertension, lipid abnormalities, and there is increased risk for blood clotting, and this increased risk of blood clotting may lead to a stroke and myocardial infarction. So, hypertension and various metabolic abnormalities such as low high density lipoprotein, elevated triglycerides are associated in this syndrome. Insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes mellitus have been frequently associated with the central obesity, and this central obesity are also present in this syndrome. So what is the pathophysiology? Now come to the pathophysiology. When there is accumulation of fat within visceral cells that occur in our central obesity, this leads to an increase in TNF alpha and adiponectin. So adiponectin secreted from the fat cell, that is adipose tissue. Diabetes and this central obesity has increased risk for type 2 diabetes mellitus and cardiovascular disorders. ओबेसिटी चैप्टर में आपको डिटेल्स में बताया गया है व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ एडिपोनेक्टिन एंड हार्मोन्स रिलीज फ्रॉम द एडिपोज टिश्यू. सो इन मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम द मेन कंस्टिट्यूएंट आर इंसुलिन रेसिस्टेंस, विसरल ओबेसिटी, hypertension, high triglycerides, and low HDL, that is high density lipoprotein cholesterol. So these are the 5 main components in this syndrome. So what is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance means glucose from blood into the muscle and other tissue are not utilized. So definition is insulin resistance refers to the diminished ability of the cell to respond glucose from the blood into the muscle and other tissue, and this may lead to increased blood glucose level and may cause diabetes mellitus. Come to the cause. What are the causes for this syndrome? First one is genetic and second one is environmental factors. In genetics, when there is family history of type 2 diabetes mellitus and early heart disease, these patients have generally increased risk the chance to develop the metabolic syndrome. So these are the risk factors. The second one is environmental cause. Low activity level, sedentary lifestyle, and progressive weight gain can also contribute to the risk to developing the metabolic syndrome. Now come to the symptoms. What are the symptoms for this syndrome? So this picture showing the symptom of metabolic syndrome. The symptoms are generally related to disease like diabetes mellitus and related to hypertension and effect of high triglycerides and low high density lipoprotein that are also known as good cholesterol. The main symptoms are there is high blood pressure, low HDL cholesterol, high triglyceride level and high fasting glucose level. पहले बताएं आप लोग को. There is central obesity. In female there is polycystic ovarian syndrome and in male there is erectile dysfunction, fatigue and inability to focus, and null alcoholic fatty liver disease may present in this syndrome. So these are the main symptoms of metabolic syndrome. Here this is male type obesity and this is female type. That is, this is central, peripheral, android, gynecoid type. This type, male type of, that is central obesity, is related to increased risk for diabetes mellitus and hypertension. So there is also increased risk of development of metabolic syndrome. Now come to the treatment part. Actually, metabolic syndrome is a syndrome that can be reversed by taking changes in lifestyle, dietary habit and lifestyle modification. First comes the eating habits. In eating habit, there is eating of low fat diet and low sugar diet, avoidance of processed food, and avoiding smoking and alcohol intake, and we should take plenty of green vegetables and fruits. Second, get active. For keeping healthy, we should have to active. That is, brisk walking is a good way to start. पहले हम लोग को सिंपल वॉकिंग से स्टार्ट करना है 30 मिनट्स पर डे एंड देन स्विच टू फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज. फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज मिनिमम 150 मिनट्स पर ए वीक. थर्ड कम्स वेट restriction, means lose weight. Balance healthy eating habit with a healthy level of exercise. This is important to reach our goal. Means there is balance between energy intake and energy expenditure. So this balance can check our body weight. Fourth comes the medication. That is, medication is used in last stage when the lifestyle alone do not control the risk for development of these syndromes. And so medication are used to control the diabetes mellitus, hypertension and abnormal lipid profile level. So this is all about the metabolic syndrome. Second comes the stress response. So what is stress response? आप लोग सब लोग जान ही रहे हो आजकल हमारे पूरे विश्व में स्ट्रेस का माहौल है ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना वायरस एंड द डिजीज कॉज बाय दिस इज कोविड-19. पूरा दुनिया आज लॉकडाउन की स्थिति में है. सारी दुनिया की रफ्तार कम हो गई है ड्यू टू दिस वायरस एंड सारे लोग, सारा सिस्टम स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहा है ड्यू टू दिस वायरस. सो स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ डेज. सो डेफिनेशन, व्हाट इज स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स? Stress response is the condition in which the person responds to change in the normal balance state. Means when there is pressure or increased demand, these two exert a force on our body and this causes stress, and stress is the body's response to this change. Means our body how to respond to these factors which causes the stress. So stress, there is a stressors which causes the stress and those are known as stressors. So this is a picture of stress. इस पिक्चर में देख रहे हो पर्सन कैसे स्ट्रेस की वजह से दबा हुआ है. And this in this second picture, रिएक्शन ऑफ द स्ट्रेस, किस तरह से स्ट्रेस का रिएक्शन हो रहा है ह्यूमन ब्रेन पे. So stressor, what are the stressors? Stressors means that causes stress, means the causes stress to an organism or there is disturbance in the homeostasis of the body. So what are the stressors? These are maybe physical, chemical, biological agents, environmental condition, or there may be certain events which causes the stress. Come to the type of stress. What are the type of stress? There are generally two types of stress. First, acute, and second, chronic. Acute means sudden. There is sudden. Acute. Acute सब लोग जानते हैं, आप लोग. Sudden होता है, acute होता है. That is typically short-lived and it may result due to any threatening events like robbery. And here the response is flight or fight. Means sympathetic system overcomes and there is flight and fight reaction in this acute type of stress. Second one is chronic stress, that is ongoing environmental demands like marital conflict or there may be due to any work stress. After types, come to the effect of stress on the body. So stress affect our body in many ways. It can be of physical, emotional, intellectual, social or spiritual. So in physical, stress affect physiological homeostasis. Emotionally affect towards ourselves. Intellectual, it can influences perception of the person and problem solving abilities. Social, it can alter relationship with the other in the society. Spiritual, affect one's beliefs and value. Now come to how stress affect our health. Actually, stress response is the response that occur due to the stressors in our body. The body's stress response is mediated by sympathetic nervous system and second by hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. Means there is involvement of nervous system, endocrine system and immune system. So these are the physiological systems involved in stress reaction. In nervous system there is peripheral and central both system involved. Endocrine systems, endocrine system means hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis involved. And there is immune system related to T cells that are helper and suppressor T cells. So there are what are the biopsychosocial aspects of stress? These are of two types, via behavioral and second by physiological. So come to the behavioral aspects. These may lead to increased alcohol intake, increased smoking, increased caffeine intake, poor diet, and final inattention leading to carelessness. Via physiological aspect, there may be cardiovascular system involvement and may lead to increased blood pressure and abnormal lipid profile in the person. In endocrine, it may leads to increased secretion of catecholamines and corticosteroid. And final, there is impaired immune function, and this due to impaired immune functions, the person are prone to various type of infection in our body. So it is very important to keep our immune level at a high state. Nowadays it is very important, कोरोना से लड़ने के लिए हम लोग को इम्यून सिस्टम को अप रखना है. सो स्ट्रेस को कम करना है to get our immunity at a high level. So there are some tips that may help you to keep these stress factor at a bay. So what are the tips? First, come to a positive attitude. मीन्स हम लोग को पॉजिटिव सोचना है, मतलब हमारे अपने सोच को, एटीट्यूड को पॉजिटिव रखना है, निगेटिव थिंग्स को दिमाग में नहीं आने देने हैं. सो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रखना है. सेकंड, वी शुड एक्सेप्ट दैट दीज आर इवेंट्स दैट वी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल. हम लोग को ये मान के चलना है कि जो हो रहा वो हमारे अंडर कंट्रोल में नहीं है. जैसे कोरोना, हम लोग इसको रोक सकते हैं लेकिन प्रिवेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. सो इस चीज़ को हम लोग को एक्सेप्ट कर लेना है. व्हेन देयर इज एक्सेप्टेंस मीन्स एडेप्टेशन, दैट इज नोन एज जनरल एडेप्टेशन ड्यू टू स्ट्रेस. सो एक्सेप्ट करना है. एक्सेप्टेंस रहने से स्ट्रेस कम हो जाते हैं, एक्सेप्ट कर लेने से. थर्ड कम्स बी असर्टिव इंस्टेड ऑफ एग्रेसिव. एग्रेसिव नहीं होना है, कूल एंड काम रखना है अपने ब्रेन को, दिमाग को, अपने एटीट्यूड को. थर्ड वन is very important, that is learning and practicing relaxation techniques like meditation and yoga. And finally we should exercise regularly and good eating habits and well balanced meal. These are the certain tips for relaxation of mind from the stress response. So today it is very important that due to this virus हम लोग को पैनिक नहीं होना है, हम लोग को इससे लड़ना है और स्ट्रेस फ्री रहना है. So this is all about stress response. So we relax and take care of your health and boost up your immune system at a higher level.